She's classic, she's unforgettable, we call her Delilah. She's a 1969 Holden HT Monaro GTS worth $280,000 and she could be yours. Fun fact about Delilah, she's had multiple Entrants Choice Awards at Monaro Nationals. Now check out this paint job. She's had a full bare metal restoration finished in phantom black mica with platinum GT stripe. We've got factory fluted front guards as well as GTS bonnet, grille and badging, plus 15-inch American racing wheels. Now we call her Delilah because she's beautiful, she's classic, and she's powered by a Holden 253 CI V8 engine. She's also a genuine 𝗚𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀 build, plus she has a 3.08 ratio Banjo differential, and she comes with all the service books. Now we're up to my favorite part. So we have a sandalwood interior, but my favorite is this houndstooth trim. Absolutely beautiful, and she also has a M21 4-speed manual gearbox. Imagine taking this for a spin. So this beautiful classic could be yours. Get Delilah in your driveway. Packages are available now. It's Jackie from Classics, where we proudly support veterans.